Today we'll be doing another dictation lesson. Make sure that you have brought something to write on, something to write with. I have my pencil today, and your mind is ready to learn. Definitely need all of those things for our dictation lesson. This is how it's going to go. Our dictation lesson has this routine. First, you'll hear the word, then you will say the word with me. You'll use a strategy, and then you'll write the word. You'll check the word after you see mine on the screen. And if you need to, you'll fix the word by crossing it out all the way and writing it correctly so that you train your brain the right way. I'm going to leave that here so that we can see our dictation routine so that we really can use that today. You'll need to set up your paper like I have already. Make sure your name is on it. That's always good practice. And then we need 5 lines for a list of words and then some lines to put our sentence on when we get to that point. Our first word today is going to be the word top. Say it with me. Top. The first one I'll use a strategy with you, but the rest of them I'm going to ask you to try your own strategy. So let's go ahead and use the strategy of using a fist and putting our fingers out for each sound. Top. T. Ah. P. Top. Now write the word. Now check the word. Are there any corrections you need to make? If not, let's keep going. You can always pause the video if I get going too fast. If you need to, you can also go back in the video to rehear some directions or listen to the word again. The next word we'll write together is the word pot. Say the word pot. Now use a strategy and write the word. Now check the word. The next word that we'll write is the word cot. Say it with me. Cot. Use your own strategy and write the word. Cot. Now make any corrections you need to. Maybe that first sound, you thought it was a K that you needed to write. This is where you need to cross out the whole word and write it correctly. The next word is the word lot. Say it with me. Lot. Now use a strategy that you have and write the word. Check your word. Our last word in our list of 5 is the word cop. Write the word cop. Oh, sorry, I forgot to go ahead and with the dictation routine. Say the word cop. Use your strategy. Now write the word cop. Check your word. We've written 5 words. I'd like you to be a detective, and I'd like you to think, what is the same for all of these words? You might know the answer already, but let's read them, and maybe that will help you if you're still thinking about that. Go ahead and read with me. Top, pot, cot, lot, cop. Did you say that the middle sound matches in all of those words? You're right. That's a short O sound. I didn't tell you at the beginning of our lesson that that was what we would be doing because I wanted you to be able to figure that out on your own. Now we're going to use some high frequency words and a few of these words that we just wrote to make a sentence. Our sentence today is, the cop is up on top. Say that with me now. The cop is up on top. Let's count how many words are in our sentence. The cop is up on top. We have 6 words in our sentence today. Let's write a blank for each one. The cop is up on top. That's a telling sentence, so add a period at the end. Once you have all of your lines set up for your sentence, make sure that there's enough. Say the sentence and touch your lines. The cop is up on top. Today I'm going to be writing the sentence with you, but in a couple of lessons, I'll be letting you write your sentence all by yourself. Let's go ahead and begin with the first word, the. This is a high frequency word, so say the letters as we write it. T, H, E. Check your word. Do you have an uppercase T? If not, cross out the whole word and write it correctly right now. The next word is the cop. Ooh, that's a word we wrote up in our list. I'm going to go ahead and copy it right here. The cop is up on top. Is our next word to write. Is a sight word as well, so let's go ahead and say the letters as we write them. I, S. The cop is up. U, P. Did you notice how we sounded this out? That's one of the strategies that we used up there too. The cop is up on, let's use that strategy again. N. The cop is up on top. Top. I remember that was at the top of our list of the words we wrote together. I'm going to write that right here. Notice I did not use an uppercase T because this word is not at the beginning of the sentence. It's just at the beginning of the line, and those are two different things. The cop is up on top. Now read it with me. The cop is up on top. Fabulous. Thank you for practicing your writing today. Have a great day.